Welcome. Just you are following this book. This is the first chapter of this book, Accounting in Actions. Today's lecture on learning objective 5. Describe the four financial statements and how they are prepared. This is the four financial statements: income statements, owner's equity statements, balance sheet, and a statement of cash flows. So here now I think this is the financial statement journey. Please look here. This is the financial statement journey. This is the starting point and this is the finishing point. So in our income statements, an income statement represents the revenues and expenses. So this is our revenue and this is our expenses. Revenue and expenses, and here just resulting net income. Okay, and then owner's equity statements. Owner's equity statement just summarize the changes in owner's equity for a specific period of time. So here we consider the investment by the owner and the drawing, and investment just net income or net profit will be added with investment. That means net income or net profit. And then here you will get the closing owner's capital, and just this is our balance sheet. We need to prepare our balance sheet represent the assets, liabilities, and owner's equity at a specific date, not for a specific period of time. These income statements, just a specific period of time, and owner's equity also we prepare for a specific period of time, but balance sheet just at a specific date. So in balance sheet we have two items: assets and liabilities plus owner's equity, owner's capital. So here uh, owner's capital means the closing owner's capital. Here we will consider. Then this is the finishing point to prepare balance sheet, and then we consider our income statements to prepare a statement of cash flows and balance sheet. These two statements we consider to prepare a statement of cash flows, and in a statement of cash flows summarize the information about the cash inflows, that means receipts, and outflows, payments for a specific period of time. And here we also consider a specific period of time. And a statement of cash flows, basically we consider three activities. This is the operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. And all the three activities we have cash inflows or receipts or outflows or payments. Okay, so now we consider the tabular summary of ShopBytes transactions in September 2017. So this is the revenue figures, these figures, this is the expense, this is the figures. Okay, so now this is our income statements prepare for the month ended September 30, 2017. So this is our revenue figures and this is our total expenses figure, resulting net income. Okay, for a specific period of time. Okay, now we prepare owner's equity statement. Please look here, everybody. This is our owner's capital, that means this figure, and this is owner's drawing, that means these figures. Okay, so now we consider the investment. This is our investments, and this is net income shifted from the income statements, and this is the drawings, and resulting just the owner's capital September 30, and that means this is the closing capital. And then we will prepare the balance sheet. And you know, the balance sheet a specific date. Earlier I told this matter, the specific date we prepare the balance sheet. So this is our assets side items. You can look here. This is assets. We have 4 items: cash, and this is the balance, and the account receivables. This is the figures. This is supplies and equipment. This is the supplies figures, and this is the equipment figure. The 4 figures we consider here to prepare the asset sides. And now liabilities and owner's equity. Just we have one accounts payable or one liabilities. This is the liability side, that means accounts payable. This is 1600. So this is the 1600. And the owner's capital, that means owner's closing capital we consider in our owner's equity. That means owner's capital, this figure. So after addition we get this figure. This is the total liabilities and owner's equity, and this is the total assets. That means the two sides balance, two sides equal. So in this way we prepare the balance sheets. Now a statement of cash flows. You know, the balance sheet and income statements are needed to prepare a statement of cash flows. Thus, in our cash flows, just we have 3 activities: operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. So cash receipts from revenues 3300. Just we can check these figures. This is revenue sides, revenue side, revenue figures, and this is revenue figures, but we could not get the revenue figures all in cash. Just we have received cash only these figures, and these figures collection from account receivable. So these figures, and these figures, thus combinedly just $3,300. So this is the figures, $3,300, and payment for expenses 1950. So this is the figures, 1950. Okay, so this is the net cash provided by operating activities. This is the positive figures. And purchase equipment, this is on investing activities. This is the purchase equipment, $7,000. That means this figure, you know, this is the figures. And financing activity related to investments by owners and drawing by owners. This is the investment, this is the drawing, and this is the figures. After considering the 3 figures, here 2 positive figures, this one and this one, and 1 negative figure, this one. Thus we are getting this one, net cash, net increase in cash. Okay, and we have no beginning or opening balance. That means this figure is 0, and cash at the end of the period, these figures. So now these figures we have proved. Okay, so financial statements are interrelated. Now income statements. Income statements, we have some character reports the revenues and expense for a specific period of time. A specific period means it may be 1 month, it may be 1 quarter, 6 months, or 1 year. This is the specific period of time. List revenues first and followed by expenses. Show net income, and here doesn't include any investment or drawing items. And owner's equity just reports change in owner's equity for a specific period of time. Our time period is the same as the covered by the income statement. That means this is a period, maybe 1 month, quarterly, or 6 monthly, or yearly. And now balance sheet reports all assets, liabilities, and owner's equity at a specific date. A list assets at the top are followed by liabilities and owner's equity. A total assets must equal total liabilities and owner's equity. Okay, are in a snapshot of the company's financial condition at a specific moment in time, a specific moment or a specific date. Okay, a statement of cash flows information